Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Woodland Pine Air Wick refills is probably one of the most effective ways to bring the crisp, invigorating scent of a forest into your home, especially during those colder months when you're spending more time indoors and want to maintain a fresh and welcoming atmosphere. This particular scent aims to capture the authentic aroma of pine needles, evoking feelings of nature and tranquility, making it a popular choice for those seeking a natural and refreshing fragrance experience that can subtly transform the ambience of any room, from your living area to your bedroom, without being overpowering. Number 5. Air Wick Plug-in Scented Oil Refill. Discover a new way to fragrance your home. Introducing the Air Wick Plug-in Scented Oil Refill, designed to bring delightful scents into your living space. Immerse yourself in the calming blend of lilac and white lavender. This fragrance offers a serene and inviting atmosphere for any room. Experience the natural essence of pure essential oils. These refills are crafted to provide an authentic and uplifting scent experience. Enjoy continuous fragrance for weeks on end. Its long-lasting formula ensures your home always smells fresh and welcoming. Simply plug it in and let the fragrance fill your home. These refills are designed for effortless replacement, making home scenting simple. Elevate your everyday with a touch of nature's best scents. It's the perfect way to create a cozy and pleasant environment. What we like. Experience a serene atmosphere with its delightful floral notes. Infused with natural essential oils, it offers a gentle and enduring scent. If you're looking for a calming ambience for your living room or bedroom, this is a perfect choice. What people say. The scent is a nice, subtle pine that isn't overpowering. It effectively neutralizes odors and leaves a pleasant, fresh scent. The refill is easy to install into the Air Wick warmer. Number 4. Air Wick Plug-in Scented Oil, Fresh Pine and Juniper. Bring the invigorating scents of fall into your home. Experience the crisp aroma of fresh pine and juniper. Infused with essential oils, these refills capture the authentic fragrance of the outdoors. It's like a breath of fresh air, indoors. Simply plug it in and let the continuous fragrance transform your space. Enjoy a welcoming atmosphere with no hassle. Each refill provides a consistent scent experience, keeping your home smelling delightful for weeks. Enjoy sustained freshness. Enhance your seasonal decor with a scent that complements the cozy feeling of autumn. It's the perfect finishing touch for your home. This convenient 5-count pack ensures you have plenty of your favorite scent on hand. Keep your home smelling wonderful all season long. What we like. Embrace the crisp scent of the outdoors with this seasonal fragrance. Its blend of pine and juniper captures the essence of fall. If you want to bring the cozy, festive spirit of autumn into your home, this is the ideal option. What people say. The scent is a pleasant, subtle pine that isn't overpowering. It effectively neutralizes odors, leaving the room smelling fresh. The refill is easy to install into the Air Wick warmer. Number 3. Air Wick Woodland Pine Scented Oil Refills. Bring the refreshing scent of the forest into your home. Our woodland pine refills offer a natural and invigorating aroma. Crafted with genuine essential oils, these refills provide an authentic and uplifting fragrance experience. Enjoy the pure essence of nature. Keep your spaces smelling delightful for longer. Each refill is designed to provide a consistent and pleasant scent diffusion. Simply insert the refill into your Air Wick plug-in device. Enjoy effortless and continuous air freshening in any room. This pack comes with 2 convenient refills, ensuring you have a fresh scent ready to go. Enjoy extended fragrance enjoyment. Elevate your home's atmosphere with the crisp, clean scent of pine. It's the perfect way to create a welcoming and serene environment. What we like. Immerse your space in the deep, natural aroma of pine. Crafted with essential oils, it provides an authentic and refreshing fragrance. If you desire a consistent, woodsy scent throughout your home, especially in larger areas, this twin pack offers great value. What people say. The scent is pleasant and lasts a long time. It effectively neutralizes odors and leaves a fresh scent. Easy to install and use, fits perfectly in my Air Wick device. Number 2. Air Wick Essential Mist Fall Starter Kit. Experience the cozy ambience of fall with this starter kit. It includes a diffuser and 2 essential oil refills to effortlessly scent your space. Infuse your home with the warm aromas of apple, cinnamon, and woodland pine. These fragrances capture the essence of the season. Simply insert a refill and let the device work its magic. Enjoy continuous, beautiful fragrance with minimal effort. This 3-count kit provides everything you need to get started. You get 1 diffuser and 2 distinct fall-inspired scent refills. Let the gentle mist fill your rooms with comforting scents. It's the perfect way to make your home feel more inviting this fall. What we like. Enjoy an advanced fragrance experience with its smart diffusion. This kit offers 2 popular seasonal scents, apple, cinnamon, and woodland pine, for variety. If you're new to home fragrance systems or want a convenient all-in-one solution with interchangeable scents, this starter kit is perfect for you. What people say. The scent is a nice, subtle pine that isn't overpowering. It effectively neutralizes odors, leaving the room smelling fresh. The refill lasts for a good amount of time, providing continuous fragrance. Number 1. Wick Essential Mist Refill. Experience the invigorating scent of fresh pine and juniper. It's designed to bring the outdoors in. Our refills are infused with natural essential oils. Enjoy a pure and authentic fragrance experience. Easily transform any room into a sanctuary of scent. It's the perfect way to set a mood. Enjoy a continuous burst of freshness that lasts. It keeps your home smelling inviting day after day. This pack comes with 2 refills for your convenience. Keep your favorite scent going even longer. What we like. Discover a lighter, more natural way to scent your home with its mist technology. It releases a gentle fragrance of fresh pine and juniper. If you prefer a subtle, airy scent that mimics natural freshness and want a modern diffusion method, this refill is an excellent selection. What people say. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. The scent lasts for a good amount of time. It effectively neutralizes odors, leaving a fresh scent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.